So we have the law of attraction, which assigns and associates with creating our thoughts, okay? Which also then affects our feelings, which aligns with another universal law called the law of vibration. Okay, so when we change our vibration, we can then change a lot of things in our reality. Okay, so law of vibration, everything in existence is energy. All energy vibrates at specific frequencies. Okay, so everything around us is vibrating, right? Every single thing Luke mentioned before, our table, our chairs, everything's vibrating at a different frequency, and they've proven this through quantum physics. Okay, that everything's made up of 99.9999999% empty space, just energy. There's a very, very small percentage of actual matter that exists. Okay, so nothing is ever truly still. Even the densest objects are in constant motion. All right, thoughts, emotions, actions equal vibrational energy. Okay, and this vibration influences and shapes our experiences. Okay, so when we get a deeper understanding, the more conscious we are of the energy we emit and attract, right? This is going to be powerful. Okay, so when we elevate our vibrational frequency, our energy, we can align with higher possibilities, right? Personal growth, transformation, fulfillment. It's also a reminder of the interconnectedness between all forms. Okay, so as we raise our vibration, we also positively impact the world around us. This is huge. That's why doing this type of work is not just for you, it's also for people around you. Because your energy has an impact on the world around you. Okay, so all matter, thought, and consciousness constantly vibrate. We've got high vibrations. Okay, so we've got love, joy, and you'll see on the scale that we have in the chart there, we've got some high emotions there. High energy states of vibration. The hertz is higher. Then we have low vibrational emotions, fear, anger, density. Right? So you'll see how the scale works. And as we move up that scale of emotions, we move up the scale of consciousness, up the energy centers, the vibrations tend to get higher, less dense, okay, more light. So the higher the vibration, it tends to be more of a lighter thing. The heavier, the lower vibration tends to be more weight to it, more heavy. That's why some people, when they come to workshops and things like that, and after they've done an amazing breath work, meditation, sound healing, qigong, they leave and they go, oh, I feel so much lighter, right? And it's like they've let go of something. They've let go of heavy, dense energy and emotions, right? They're feeling higher emotions, which is a lighter feeling. It's feeling light. Okay? So we elevate the frequency through positive thinking, positive emotions, positive actions. Okay? That's how we elevate our frequency. Very simple. Okay? So we can align ourselves with the higher frequencies, attract more outcomes that we want in our life. All right? So the law of vibration invites us to take responsibility for our internal state, knowing that our energy determines the quality of our reality. And this also entwines with the law of correspondence. So within, so without. Okay, so as we tune into higher vibrations, okay, we'll harmonize with the universal's natural flow of the universe. We can start to magnetize experiences that resonate with our highest good. Okay, so as I was mentioning earlier, jumped ahead. We are 99.99999. I believe it's 8 nines to be exact. Empty space. Okay, so everything is like matter is not solid, but composed of atoms, right? Atoms are made up of subatomic particles vibrating. Solid objects in reality are just patterns of vibrational energy. This is all proven. It's amazing. Okay, we also have the string theory. So the universe is built from vibrating strings of energy. Okay, These strings vibrate at different frequencies. We also have the double split experiment again. Okay. And we have the frequency tuning as well. So thoughts and emotions tune our vibrational frequency. Okay, they act like a radio station. We can tune into whatever experience we want. All right, so again, we've got some of the spiritual and philosophical perspectives here. We've got Buddhism, Hinduism as well, aligns with this law of vibration, Taoism. Okay, we also got some references in the Bible. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Okay, so word represents vibration or frequency, suggesting that creation itself is a manifestation of divine vibration. Right? By faith, we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. Okay, so it reinforces the unseen energetic vibrational realm. All right, and we also have the Kabbalion as well, which dives into this law about nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. Okay. So some applications we can do, right? So awareness of vibrations, awareness in itself. Pay attention to your emotional mental state. Pay attention to the thoughts. Okay, how they influence your reality. Awareness is a big thing. And we can do energy practices as well. So yoga, qigong, sound healing, things that elevate our energy and vibration. Okay, so we can raise our frequency, practices like gratitude, meditation, breath work. We can surround ourselves with high vibrational people, be in high vibrational environments, do high vibrational activities. All right, so we can also align, again, with higher emotions. Okay, and then we can visualize, use the power of visualization to tune in regularly. This is going to change our state of vibration. Okay, so you have a beautiful affirmation here. I'm a being of pure energy, vibrating at the frequency of love, joy, and abundance. I align myself with the highest vibrations and attract positive experiences effortlessly. Okay, so again, we got the radio station analogy. Tune our energy and our frequency. Okay, you can only hear a station clearly when your radio is tuned to the correct frequency. Okay, when you tune your frequency to align with the state of vibration you want to be on, the station, right? The station. So you're changing your state. Okay, so we're in control of our state. We can choose what station we want to be on. Okay, another analogy as well, when we have water. So same form can go from a ice block into liquid. Okay, it can transform. The vibrational frequency of water is changing into liquid, and then from liquid it can change into steam. So ice technically is a lower vibration because it's more solid, and as we go into water, it's getting higher, and as we go into steam, it's going even higher, right? Because you can't even touch it, it's light, where ice is thick, it's heavy. So the vibration is increasing. Water hasn't changed, okay? What's changed is the way that it's vibrating. It's still the same. Okay, so when we understand this, we can do this for ourselves. We can come from an ice block and turn into water and then evolve into steam, right? Become lighter, higher in vibration.